In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to crop in Photoshop 2026, including the fastest crop shortcut that will save you tons of time. Whether you're editing photos for Instagram, YouTube thumbnails, client work, or just cleaning up an image, cropping is one of the most important tools you need to master. The best part? It only takes about 2 minutes to learn properly. Make sure you watch until the end for some powerful pro tips and shortcuts. And if this helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your image inside Adobe Photoshop. To activate the crop tool instantly, just press C on your keyboard. That's the official crop shortcut in Photoshop, and it works in every recent version, including Photoshop 2026. As soon as you press C, you'll see a border appear around your image with handles on the corners and sides. That means the crop tool is now active and ready to use. Next, let's adjust the crop area. Click and drag any of the corner handles inward to remove unwanted parts of the image. If you want to reposition the photo inside the crop box, simply click and drag inside the box itself. This lets you reframe your shot without resizing it awkwardly. Now, if you need a specific aspect ratio, go to the top options bar. Here, you can choose preset ratios like 1:1 for Instagram posts, 16:9 for YouTube videos or widescreen content, 4:5 for portrait layouts, or you can manually enter a custom width and height. This is extremely useful when designing thumbnails, banners, or social media graphics where exact dimensions matter. If your image is slightly tilted, Photoshop makes it very easy to fix. In the top options bar, click on the Straighten tool, then draw a line along a horizon, edge, or any straight reference point in your image. As soon as you release your mouse, Photoshop will automatically rotate and adjust the crop to straighten the image perfectly. This is especially helpful for landscape photos or architectural shots where alignment is important. Once you're happy with your crop, you can apply it by pressing Enter or Return on your keyboard. You can also click the checkmark in the top options bar, and just like that, your image is cropped. Now here's a very important professional tip. In the top options bar, you'll see an option called Delete Cropped Pixels. If this is checked, Photoshop permanently removes the areas outside your crop. If it's unchecked, the crop becomes non-destructive, meaning you can always readjust it later. For most professional workflows, I recommend keeping this unchecked so you maintain full flexibility. Let me give you a few bonus shortcuts to speed things up even more. Press C to activate the crop tool anytime. Press Escape to cancel a crop. Press Enter to confirm it. Press O to cycle through different crop overlay grids like the rule of thirds. And if you hold Shift while dragging, you can lock proportions depending on your settings. These small shortcuts make a huge difference in your editing speed. And that's how to crop in Photoshop 2026 using the crop shortcut in just a couple of minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.